Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel and voiceover and the last episode of the Doja Cat miniseries. Today we're going to be doing the last look, which I'm going to pop up right here. It is the super gorgeous kind of like caked on glitter like disco look, and I am absolutely in love with it. However, I was looking at David Velasquez's like at Mug Opus's his Instagram to see actually like what products he specifically used to see if I can get my hands on it. Obviously, I don't know why I thought it would be a drugstore item. It's not. He used the Urban Decay glitter gel in Cowboy, I believe. But I'll link to his Instagram if you want to go check out all of his work, because his artistry is like bomb. But anyway, subscribe if you would like, and let's get into how I'm going to try to emulate this with some items that I already have at home. And then I also went out of my way to also purchase some loose glitter from NYX, and it was kind of a disaster. And to this day, there's glitter on my carpet and glitter on my eyeballs and in my eyelashes. But I noticed that her brows were a lot more fluffy and actually like filled in compared to the last couple of looks. So I went ham on my eyebrows, and again, my left eyebrow looks so much darker than the right one. I don't know why this happens. I'm not God's favorite. I have decided that, but yeah. I also wanted to have a little kitty cam, so it's a little bit, I'm not like in the center of the video. Gosh, I cannot speak today. Oh my god. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do. And also, I really didn't feel like putting on a heavy base today. I don't know why. I was just like, you know what, frick, I'm just not gonna do it. But yeah, so all I did was just put on powder foundation for my base, just because I really was not into kinking my face today. But yeah, that's all that I have for the base. And then I did put on a little bit of ColourPop highlighter. But that's all that I have for the base. Let's move on. Come on, Cecilia, you can go faster than this. Oh yeah, so let me talk about how I actually like tried to emulate this. It doesn't really look good, but I kind of got the chunky effect because I layered on like 2 layers of glitter, I believe. So what I did is that I actually have I have a foil eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics. And so I packed on kind of a bronze, like a yellow, gold, and bronze shade on my lid. If you look at the picture, it kind of looks like it's a mix of like brassy gold glitter and silver glitter. But now that I'm realizing it mostly looks like silver to match her outfit. So I'm kind of dumb, but you know, not all of us were blessed with 2020 vision. I wear glasses. Anyway, so I put on a lot of the bronze shadow as much as I could, and then right now I'm putting on the NYX glitter glue base on my lids to pack on some of the loose glitter. I think it kind of works, but honestly, I think I should have packed on a lot more glitter. But that's all that I'm basically doing, is that I'm just patting in that base, and then I'm going to spill glitter everywhere and then pile glitter on my face. And that's all that I did. Oh yeah, she also kind of has a thick chunky wing, and in the video I kind of did a long wing that I usually do for my eyes, but I go in later towards the end of the video and correct it. But if you are someone who wants to recreate this look, I totally recommend either just buying the Urban Decay glitter gel or going in with a silver or a bronze base, like a kind of intense eyeshadow, and then packing, I think, 1 to 2 layers of silver glitter and then gold glitter if you have it. But that's all that I have for you guys. I'm just gonna let the rest of the music play. Sorry I haven't really been too in-depth with the voiceovers, but I feel like these looks are not necessarily super simple in terms of skill level, but in terms of that I feel like it's a little bit easier for you to just like watch me do it, as well as they're not super complicated. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. Pack on more glitter if you're gonna recreate this. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.